What's going on, everybody? I am making another video for the channel, and it's been actually a couple days, I think, since my last upload. I traded on Monday and have been doing a much better job limiting my entries. I took, I think, three entries, I believe, or four maybe, and I had just about broke even on the day. I might have been down about $100. And today, being Wednesday, I'm trying to start to select Wednesday as the day that I don't trade to serve as that reminder, like I was talking about. But we did have the FOMC minutes today and the interest rate hike announcement, which was a quarter percentage point. As you can see, around that 2:30 p.m. Interest rate announcement, the markets were very volatile. There was a lot of you see all the long wicks there. But going into tomorrow, I am going to be trading again. And if we look at the 4 hour, we could be forming a new zone. We're going to have to see what happens going into the open. But I'm anticipating a sell-off into this next area of liquidity down here. And I'm going to be looking for a bounce or some sort of reaction. If it breaks structure, depending on what the price action looks like, I might go short. But generally, for going into tomorrow, I'm going to have more of a long bias. But yep, that's really it. That's the recap of the week so far. Just going to be reminding myself every day to continue working on being as selective as possible, as makes sense, and to really try and be bulletproof with my risk management, and not move any stops, not put too much size on a position, and just really be very diligent with following my strategy to a T. Not because that I know this is going to be the strategy that'll get me to being successful, just because that's I know that that's the process. And if this strategy doesn't work, the only way I'm going to find out that it doesn't work is if I understand what my data is telling me, what my trades are telling me. And if I don't control the variables that and the criteria that I use to determine whether or not I enter a trade, well, then I'm not going to be able to get a good sense of my data and what it is about my strategy that's not working. So for all of you out there who are currently testing a strategy, maybe you've done some back testing and now you're doing some forward testing on a demo or something like that. Definitely want to make sure you're controlling those variables. Don't change the signals you use or the indicators, whatever you're using. Stick with it and get a good amount of sample size out of the way. Get a good 20, 25 trades before you go look back to reevaluate your strategy and try and change some of your criteria. But yeah, that's going to do it. I will probably be making a video tomorrow. Unless I don't trade, then I'll be coming back Friday, I guess. But that's going to do it, and I will see you guys all in the next video.